Let's make some 3-inch pigtails. So I'm using die number 70 from 𝗧𝗿𝗬𝗬.com. And I'm going to make a 𝗧𝗿𝗬𝗬 pigtail set. So here I am. You're going to see me cut 2 of everything. So here I am cutting 2 of everything, cut 2 of my top pieces and 2 of my tails. And then you'll see me cut my own little center strip is right there. So now I'm going to put everything on my die. I'm going to use my 𝗧𝗿𝗬𝗬+, but this die fits the regular 𝗧𝗿𝗬𝗬 Big Shot. So if you don't have the plus, no worries. This die fits in the regular one. So now it's time to assemble. So I'm using a smooth surface here. So I'm going to use some BSI, which is 𝗬𝗏𝗧 industry glue. I have it also linked in my Amazon storefront because I like using this glue when I use smooth surfaces. So now I'm using my second layer, and here's my wraparound. So I use some 𝗬𝗏𝗧 glue and some hot glue to put these together. So that's my first wraparound. I'm going to bring my second wraparound over, glue it down to the center, and hold a little bit. So once that's nice and set, I'm going to do my top layer. And now it's time to add our tail. So I'm going to use some 𝗬𝗏𝗧 again and some hot glue and put those two together like that. So now we're going to go ahead and add our little center strip. So I had cut this out earlier. I'm going to wrap it all the way around. And then I'm going to head and add my shaker. So my shaker, I'm going to use some stick fast glue and some hot glue. So in this little bottle right here, I have stick fast. And now I'm going to add some hot glue in the back of my shaker and put that on top. So I'm going to do this another time. So now I have both of them complete. So now it's adding my clip. So since they're pigtail sets, make sure you have a left and a right. So I have first one down, and then I basically flip it over to make sure I do the second one correctly. And then I flip it upside down because I'm right-handed and it's just easier that way. So now that I did that, I'm going to go ahead and glue down my 1/4 inch cross grain ribbon, and that is complete. So now let's add it to my bow card. So I'll get my ruler and my rotary cutter and cut some slits and attach them to my bow card. And here is the final look. So this is the 3-inch die number 70, and I got the die from 𝗧𝗿𝗬𝗬𝗬.com. If you're interested in buying it, I have a link in my bio with a discount code.